Hi, it's John again at the Emerald Hollow Mine in beautiful Hiddenite, North Carolina. And I'm digging back into the green mica area. But let me show you something that I had found in the sluiceway. And I didn't do a video because it was getting too dark. But at the end of the two buckets that I went through, I found these beauties. We got an emerald there and an aqua there. So hopefully you can pick that up. Alright, now back in here, I have the opportunity because I've been just scratching around all day. I can show you this whole vein. And I got the sunlight in here the best that I can. So down at the bottom it starts here. And you've got a lot of calcite, mica. We start going upward. And you can see this is the mica part, and then on the outside it's surrounded by calcite as it travels up. Now when it gets into here, I think we've got some quartz crystals in here, which I'll get back to. Got a little sun up here to help me out. So, and then it goes on up into the wall, which I have to dig out further. So I've got a good 2 foot, 3 foot of the vein exposed, 2 foot deep, and an additional foot wide. So what I want to do is try pulling that out. So a bucket, put it in position here. And it feels like a chunk of quartz, maybe. See all the heavy mica there. I'm going to have to go around that a little bit better. I don't want to force anything. Move down a little bit here. Plenty of mica back in there. Feels like there's a lot of mica on the outside. Okay, well I need to clean this up, but see, I knocked all that vein out pretty much. I could still continue down further, but I need 2 hands for that. So that's it for now.